Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rani Puspitasari. Here I will convey the counseling service program that I have guided. The service program is related to students' career. Here, first there is a purpose. Need assessment or need analysis is the process of analyzing data in identify between current performance and expected performance so that data regarding needs can be obtained. Therefore, before we determine the service program to be provided, we need a need assessment first so that the service to be provided later are not wrong and in accordance with the needs of the student. One example of guidance and counseling service that can be applied in school is career guidance. Career is a person's whole life in the embodiment of to live life and achieve goals. To achieve this goal, individuals must have strengths such as mastery of abilities and experts that supports career success. Then the second one in the outcome, what I have seen in various journals or articles mentions that the majority of need needed by a student in the career field are fewer career planning, where out there are still many students who are confused about choosing a career that suits them, or students who do not understand or do not get a lot of information about the career well. So in my opinions, what a counseling guidance teacher can do is to provide an understanding of how to increase awareness of self-understanding, prepare yourself on adequate placement in a career, efficient time and a fair career out in a career, matching individuals with jobs, but in terms of selection job as well as the selection of experience training, helping to plan activities career to improve individual communications, individuals in making decisions, appropriate and effective career, helping individual to understand themselves and their work, and has the ultimate goal of helping individuals to get job satisfaction. Then the last one, 3, is activity based on the needs above. In my opinion, the suitable service to be given in the service orientation, information, placement, individual and group counseling. Explanation. Number 1. Orientation service, where in this service the goal is to be able to provide a general description of various methods relating to career choice or work or education, so that students are able to identify comparability with themselves with aspects of various types of careers. Number 1 and number 2, information service, where in this service the purpose is to provide information about career fields in the forms of developments in the world of work, conditions of the work of work, various types of information and so on, as well as gain self-understanding such as interests, abilities, skills, personality, attitudes, and values as matters for students' consideration in making decent career planning. Number 3. Placement. This aims to provide guidance that is carried out to help individuals or groups who experience a mismatch or a mismatch between potential and development efforts and placement or individuals in an environment that is suitable for themselves, as well as providing opportunities for individuals to develop optimally. Number 4. Individual counseling. The, the purpose of the service is to help individuals who have personal problems regarding their careers, for example, confused about cost and economics, or in terms of interests, talents, or abilities. And number 5, group counseling. The purpose of this service is to help individuals who have the same problems regarding their careers, for example, individuals who have problems understanding the world of work or career world out there. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.